There's someone here to see you.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
What happened?
Nothing, really nothing.
Why are you crying?
Just crying. Some people aren't built happy, you know.
Oh my god. We ate all the cheese. It was okay?
Lots of cheese, very inside. This one was a small one.
It was so small.
It was tiny.
That's not our fault.
What were we to do?
Okay, let's just go to prom. Doesn't your mom have a dress?
Let's be honest, I've had a dress for months. It's purple.
It is.
You're really gonna like it.
Come see, I love you more. Cracker time, dress time. I hope it fits.
You got your ball, you got your chain tied to me, tie me up again. Who's got the claws in you, my friend? Into your heart beat again. Sweet like candy to my soul. Sweet you are, can sweet you roll. Lost for you, I'm so lost for you.
People make so much noise in the movies, but it's really not a big thing. You can totally be quiet during it.
Was it amazing though?
I wanted it so badly, but then I found that when it happened, I really like dry humping much more.
You're not a virgin.
I can't wait for State Fair.
I know.
Log ride.
Shit.
What?
I'm not gonna be here this summer, like all summer, basically.
Why not?
My dad, my real dad, he resurfaced in Yellowstone, and he wants me to come there for the summer before I start SEC.
Oh.
I'm not going anywhere to college, so it seemed like a good opportunity.
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss the fuck out of you.
Probably won't get in, so I'll go to Davis and I'll see you every day.